Good morning to all. Dear students, in moral science subject, already we are discussing about chapter 5, Believe in Yourself. From that lesson, we are learning self-confidence. So now we have come to the conclusion. In previous week, we have discussed about the 5P methods which leads us towards success. So in that already we have discussed about prayer and plan. Now we are going to discuss about prepare, practice and present. Meaning of preparation. The things that you do or the time that you spend preparing for something known as preparation. So whatever you do for that, before itself you are taking some time and you are preparing how to do. So what are the blocks will come. So how to improve. All these things you are sitting and preparing is known as preparation. What is preparation? The word preparation means that it is the activity or process of making something ready, of being ready for something. That means we are getting ready. The things which we are going to do in a best manner is known as preparation. Preparation for your endeavors is must. So, till our death, we need preparation whatever we do. When we sit and prepare for anything, we may get lots of ideas to do more good. Without preparation, if we do, it will give fruit like 30% or 40%. But when you sit and prepare, then the fruit will be 100%. Preparation always leads to success. So, the achievers are all putting lots of hard work in the name of preparation. There are right way to prepare. They have given some points. That is something out of yourself in assembling and arranging your own thoughts, in cherishing and nurturing your own conviction. For example, if you are going to give talk, after learning everything, just you have to arrange your thoughts, you have to arrange your points. That is known as preparation. So when you present, the presentation will be best. With the preparation, your present will be best. Without preparation, your present will be good. When he thought out his own ideas, developed his own illustration. So when you prepare, you will get lots of knowledge about that particular thing. Practice. Practice is defined as to use an idea or actually put into place. It is also referred to the act of continually doing something in order to get better at it. An example of practice is to make a habit of something. So, for example, every day getting early is very difficult for each one of us. When you do continually, then it is known as, it is called practice. Then practice turns towards habit. Then if you think also, you can't stop. In the same way, your studying method and your daily activities, everything you try to practice. Practice makes man perfect. So always don't give up your practice. Practice like you have never won. So whenever you practice, you have to think that you never own, you never get success in your life. So first time you are going to get, how you will put so much hard work, how you will have severe practice. Like this you have to practice. When you perform, like you have never lost. So whenever you are performing, just you have to think that you never lost, always you will be the first. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Just you are mugging and sitting, no use. When you practice, when you put it in your daily activities, daily life, then it is known as knowledge. Present. Our work is the presentation of our capabilities. That means, like the way we present, the audience will come to know our capabilities, what are the talents. Like if you are dancing, audience will come to know your dancing capacity. If you are giving speech, audience, everyone will come to know your talent of speech. The same way, drawing, etc., whatever you do, everything, you are just giving advertisement to your talents, activities, your knowledge, your intelligence, your capabilities, etc. It must be remembered that the purpose of education is not to fill the minds of students with facts. It is to teach them to think, if that is possible, and always to think for themselves. So always, whatever the fact, whatever in the book, learning is not knowledge, but you have to think why, how. Like this, you have to raise your questions, then you will get the real knowledge. Whatever you think, you become. If you consider yourself weak, you will become weak. If you consider yourself strong, you will become strong. Said by Swami Vivekananda. So, whatever you think, my dear students, think positively. Think that you are the best and you have born to win. So, my dear children, we have come to the conclusion about chapter 5, Believe in Yourself. And I hope that you have got the value of self-confidence. And till your death, try to follow these 5 P methods. The first one is prayer, believe in God, and you have to have plan for everything, whatever you do. Next, you have to prepare. Then you have to continually practice. Then you present, you will be the successful person in your life. When the student is ready, the master appears. So you be ready for everything. Thank you. Have a nice day.